The
Benchmarks
Galaxy
don't usually send
A57 is
shockwaves through
already
the
a
tech
solid
world,
phone,
but this
with
one just
these
did.
tips and tricks,
A
it feels like
mysterious
something that
device
costs
quietly
twice as
surfaced.
much. Let's get into it. 2 things to do immediately out of the box. Go to
And
Settings,
leaks like this.
Display,
They're
Motion
often intentional
Smoothness,
breadcrumbs.
Adaptive.
Now I'm curious
This unlocks
about you.
120
If the
Hz
Galaxy
refresh rate.
A57
The
launches
difference in
with these
smoothness
specs
is
and a
immediately
reasonable price
noticeable.
tag, would you upgrade?
Then open the camera app,
Or are
tap
you
the
holding out for
megapixel
something
indicator,
even
and
bigger?
switch from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels for significantly more detail in every
Segment.
shot.
If
Go into
Samsung
camera
keeps
settings
the
and
price
toggle on
competitive,
high
this
picture
could disrupt
resolution
the
so
entire
it stays at 50
mid-range market.
megapixels permanently
Storage
without
is rumored to
switching
be
every
UFS
time.
3.
Download
which means
Good
faster
Lock from the
A57
Galaxy
is
Store.
tipped to feature
Then
a 50
open
MP
Lockstar.
main sensor with
Inside the
optical
fingerprint
image
section,
stabilization.
choose from brand
That
new
alone makes a
fingerprint
difference
unlock
in low
effects
light and
that
video
trigger
stability.
every time you
Add
unlock.
a 12MP ultra
Then
wide,
tap
a 5MP
Unlock
macro,
Animation
and a
for
12MP
full
front
screen
camera,
effects
and
that
suddenly content
transform your
creators on a budget
entire
have
lock screen
options.
experience.
Meanwhile,
Each
the
animation is
A37 may step down
individually
to an 80MP
customizable.
ultra wide,
Pair
keeping
both
a clear
together,
gap
and your
between the
lock
two
screen looks
models. Battery
completely
life looks
unique.
promising too.
Inside Good
A5
Lock,
Sazon's
open Keys
battery
Cafe,
paired
then
with
Keyboard
45W
tab,
fast
then
charging
Gestures.
suggests all-day endurance
Customize
with quick
2 and
top-ups
3
when you
finger
need
swipe
them.
gestures on
If
your
efficiency
keyboard.
improvements from
Swipe
the new
up to
chip
copy,
hold up,
swipe
this
down
could
to paste,
easily be a
swipe left
two-day
to undo. Works inside every app instantly. One of the most practical hidden features on the entire phone. Want to go further? Download the free Micro Gestures app. Assign actions to physical phone movements.
and those
Twist
scores,
to go back.
they're not playing
Tilt
around.
to go home.
This isn't
Rotate to
speculation
open
anymore.
recents. Your
It's
phone
evidence that
responds
this
to
device is
motion
real.
without touching the
Drop
screen.
numbers that
Go
rival
to
older
Settings,
flagships
Modes,
and
and
vanished
Routines,
again,
then
leaving
Discover.
one huge clue
Find the
behind
low
Samsung's
battery
next
alert
mid.
routine,
Range
save it,
Beast is
and your
closer
phone
than
verbally tells you to charge when battery drops below 10%. You can change the trigger percentage and
smoother
customize the
frame
message to
rates.
anything you
Casual
want.
players will notice it.
Also set up a
Competitive
charging
mobile
notification.
gamers will definitely
Go to
feel it.
Routines,
But
add an
here's the
action,
twist.
select
The raw
Show
numbers make
Custom
this even more
Notification,
exciting.
write
On
your message.
Geekbench, the A57
Every time you plug in, your custom message appears. Small feature, genuinely fun. 3 different ways to make notifications more visual. First, Settings, Accessibility, Hearing Enhancements, Flash Notifications. Choose Camera
That's not
LED
evolution.
Flash or Screen Flash.
That's acceleration.
Assign
Now
different
here's where
colors
it gets
per app.
even more
Green
interesting.
for
The
WhatsApp,
tested unit
purple for
supposedly had
Instagram,
12
red for
GB of
Gmail.
RAM.
You'll
Yes,
instantly
12.
know which
In an
app
A-series
without
device.
looking.
That changes the
Second,
conversation.
download Notify Buddy. Enable always on display and a colored LED dot appears in the corner for each notification, exactly like classic Samsung notification
Anyone
LEDs from
expected.
years ago.
And if these leaks
Third,
hold up, the game
settings,
launches, quicker file
notifications,
transfers,
pop-up
and an overall
style,
snappier
lightning
experience.
effects.
Combine
Enables
that with
edge
proper
lighting
One
effects
UI
along the top of your
optimization,
screen for
and this
every
might quietly
notification.
become one of
Clean
the
and
smoothest
eye-catching.
Galaxy
The
game is
Go
about
to
to
Settings,
ever 2026.
Notifications,
Click
Advanced
the link in the
Settings,
description. Radio
Notification
silence, the
History,
Galaxy
and turn it on.
A57, model number
Every notification gets saved
SM-A57
automatically,
has officially
including
stepped out of
messages
the
people
shadows.
delete after sending.
First came whispers
You can
from
go back
trusted
and read them
tipsters, and now
anytime.
we've got something
Nothing disappears from your
tested
history.
and warming up
Go to
behind the
Modes and
scenes.
Routines,
Let's talk
Routines,
power, because
Create
this is
New.
where things get
Under
interesting.
If,
The
select
A57 is
Open App
reportedly
and
running on
choose YouTube
Samsung's
or
Exynos
TikTok.
that's surprisingly
Under
aggressive
Then,
for the
select
A-series.
Sound and
One
Vibration,
high-performance
set
core clock
media
at 2,
volume to
91 GHz,
30%.
4 cores at 2,
Now,
60
every
GHz,
time
and
you
3
open those
efficiency
apps,
cores at
volume
1, marked about
automatically
ultra,
adjusts to a comfortable
premium
level
flagships.
regardless of where it was
Sometimes
before.
they're about the device
No
that
more getting
quietly
blasted at full
over-delivers
volume.
and changes
The
expectations for
S26
everyone.
series has text-based AI
95
photo editing
GHz.
built in.
That setup
The
tells us something
A57 doesn't,
important.
but here's how to get it
Samsung
anyway.
isn't just aiming
Hold
for
the
decent
side button to
performance.
open Gemini.
They're targeting
Tap the
serious
plus
stability
icon,
under pressure.
select a photo from your
And then there's
gallery,
the
then
GPU,
simply
the
type what you
Samsung
want
Eclipse
changed.
550.
Day to night,
If you've
add an
followed
object,
recent
change
Galaxy
the background.
chips, you already know
Gemini
Eclipse
edits it in
graphics are
seconds
no
with
joke.
surprisingly
That
impressive
means
results.
improved gaming
Go to
consistency,
Settings,
better
Advanced
thermal
Features,
balance,
Side Button,
dangerously
Long
close
Press,
to older
then
flagship
Settings.
territory.
You'll find
Think about that for a
Perplexity
second.
AI as an
A
option, an assistant
mid-range
that
device
searches the
brushing
internet in
shoulders
real
with
time for
premium
more
phones from
accurate
just a couple
answers
of
than
years
standard
ago.
assistants.
The A37
Under
is also
other
rumored
apps,
to
you
share
can
that
also assign
128 AMOLED
ChatGPT or
experience.
Claude to the
But
side
the
button.
Samsung wants
Your
to blur
AI
the line
assistant,
between
one button
affordable
press away,
and premium.
whichever one you
And
prefer.
let's not ignore timing.
9 tips
If
that
this
turn the
launches in
Galaxy
early
A57 from a
2026,
good
it could
mid-range
land right
phone
with
into
early
something
retail
that
box
genuinely
photos.
feels premium.
When
Which
that
one surprised
happens,
you most?
we'll
Drop
break
it in the
down
comments.
piece by
And
piece.
subscribe for more
Because
Galaxy
sometimes
tips
the
and
most
tricks
exciting
every
tech
week.
stories